Do you remember what we're making today, Sophie? We're making our cashew creamer. So replacing something as easy as your coffee creamer with a non-dairy option can be a simple way to just be a little bit healthier. A lot of people have an intolerance to dairy and they don't even know. So we're going to make a delicious creamer today. And even if dairy is not an issue, I would encourage you to look at the ingredients on your coffee creamer and see how many there are. There's probably quite a few. Anyway, we have here a half a cup of soaked cashews. They soaked all night.
Yeah.
Just pour them in our blender, and I rinsed them and drained them. You want to get that icky water off?
And it's fun with two kids in the kitchen because
it is fun. They can't see Lexi. There's Lexi. Yeah. You guys stop. Okay, so we need two teaspoons. It's definitely easier when the baby is napping, right, Lexi? Right, Sophie? Okay, here we go. Hold it over there. So we're gonna hold it. We're gonna do 2 teaspoons of maple syrup. One, it's organic.
And delicious.
Delicious. This is from Costco. It's one of our favorite.
Yeah. Costco is the most delicious place on earth.
Oh, I have a cup and a half of water. You want to pour it in there?
Let me tell you.
Water.
We're gonna blend the
Then
water.
we need a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon.
Ooh, I want to taste the cinnamon.
And you can play with the flavors.
Okay.
Okay, now we're gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla.
I'm going to taste the cinnamon, okay?
Here, first put the vanilla in. Oh, Lexi's gonna do it. Okay, you're gonna do it? Oh. Let's measure over this cup, just in case we get aggressive. Oh, actually that's perfect. Okay, we're gonna put in there. That's all of our ingredients.
Hey, I wanted to taste it with the spoon.
The spoon is wet now. Okay. You wanna help me with the blender? All right. Okay, don't put your finger. Oh. Okay, how is it? So this recipe is so easy. You could do it while you hold one kid and manage a younger kid, right? Okay, we're gonna turn our blender on. We're gonna hold the top. I'm gonna turn it down, and you're gonna flip that switch.
It's so good cooking in the kitchen right now. And your family. And your dad, of course. And your mom and your son and me.
Okay. So,
The blender.
and I just blended it till it was all combined and creamy, and the nuts are chopped up. And the beauty of cashews is that I don't have to strain it. You can if you have, if you have chunks. We might need to blend it a little bit longer. Once I get my daughter off the counter, we might do that. But both of these recipes, the almond milk and the cashew creamer, are super easy. Oh my gosh. Please send help. What time's Daddy coming home? Okay, well, you all have a good day. We're going to clean up the kitchen. See you next time.
Turn off.